Hey everyone, Chubb here. Today we're just gonna show you, I don't even know if it's a thing. It's something I did when I was bored on my ramp one day. It's just a transition in the middle and it kind of gets you speed without pumping, which is cool. And yeah, let's just get into it. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna do, let's say if you don't even really know how to pump yet, just skate up a little bit to get a little momentum. That. Transition in. And you naturally just pick speed up. So you will naturally just begin to pick up speed. So be prepared for that. Make sure you're bending your knees. When you're going backwards, look behind you. Going forward, look ahead of you. So when you're doing this little transition on a ramp, whatever you call it, I'm gonna call it the Whatchamacallit trick. You're gonna just kind of pump in the beginning, just skate forward a little bit, and then once you're in the middle, you're gonna do a transition into fakie, and then ride up the ramp, and then go forward, transition again. So each time you're going forward, you're gonna do a transition on the ramp, and this will create speed, and you'll get higher and higher on the ramp as you go. And it looks really cool and fancy, but it's pretty easy as long as you know how to do transitions. Alright, thanks for watching my tutorial on the Whatchamacallit transition on a ramp. Try it at a skate park, or if you're lucky enough to have a ramp in your backyard. That's another thing I'm thankful for this year. So yeah, thanks for watching. You